In today's video we want to talk about borders. So we have these 6 cells and we want to play here with borders. So right click, format cells, and from here let's choose borders, and we have some things to set. By default is no border. We can set all the border, all 4 borders, let's see, like that. Let's change, let's increase the width of the line so we can see better. Now let's choose each one. So no border, all borders, left and right, top and bottom, and diagonals of the cell. We can click here, and if we click OK, they are disappearing. Okay, so we can personalize which one to be shown and which one not. Let's see. Also, we can remove borders by clicking like that. So it's very easy to have 1, 2, 3, or 4 borders in each cell. Let's play a little bit with colors. So let's have here top and bottom, left and right, and let's choose. We have here colors, we have recent colors, and also we can choose a custom color. Here will be the color we choose, and if we like it, we press OK. Here we have some padding, we can increase that, and we have here the border we choose, left and right. Let's play with padding 0. We have not too much text, so it's very easy to see the effect. Let's change. So we have this text and we want a padding of 5. You can see we have that, but the font is too big. You can see we have a space on the left and right, so this is the padding we have. Let's change to 1. Now I have too much text. Let's change. Now let's test. So let's have 3 millimeters here. Let's change to 4. Okay, so you can see left and right, the space is increasing. Okay. Now let's see, here we have shadow. We can choose in which part to be, and also we can choose the color and the distance from that cell. If I minimize everything, the border looks very nice. Now if I want to remove that, I need to be in that cell. So if I'm here and I click no border, I have to click remove adjacent border. So let's test again here. I need to click no border and remove adjacent cells, because the border was from some text here, not from cell C3. Okay, so it's very easy to play with borders. Please test it and like the video and subscribe. Thank you.